In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install WoodMart. That's Multipurpose WooCommerce. So after purchasing the theme just costs $59. So you can download it from teamforce.net. After downloading it, I go straight to my dashboard. In my dashboard, then I go to appearance. So next I click on upload, that's add new theme. As you can see, this is the default theme. That's why it is getting customized. These ones are not active, so this is active one. So but I want to install another one. That's why I'm going to click on add new theme. Then next I click on upload theme because I already have my theme. Click on choose file. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I select it, WoodMart, open. Then I click on install now. Then next, after installing, I click on activate to activate the theme. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also use link in description to engage me. Use the engagement link in description to engage me to help you install the theme or customize the theme. So next I click on let's start. Next step, install Shy theme. So next I click on next step. I choose Elementor. Then I click on next step. Install and activate all. Now, for your web design, use the engagement link in description to engage me for your web design. For your theme installation and customization, or theme installation or customization, please use the engagement link in description to engage me to help you for the job. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next, after installing and activating, I click on next step. So I can select any of these theme, the default, but this is the default. Let me select the default. So import. So after importing it, I click on next step. Nice. Congratulations, you have successfully installed our theme. So view home page. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in description to buy me a coffee. And also to install the theme, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install this theme or customize the theme. Also for your web design, web design or WordPress website design, please use the engagement link in description to engage me. Thank you. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Bye.